Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to convert text into a table in Microsoft Word. To convert text to a table in Microsoft Word, select the text you want to convert. Then go to the Insert tab and click Table and choose Convert Text to Table. And specify how you want the text separated into columns. Separate text 8 commas and click OK. To convert paragraphs into a table, simply select the paragraphs then go to Insert tab, click on Table and select Convert Text to Table. Now select Separate Text 8 paragraphs and click OK. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.